Mabuhay! Good morning, this is Jerome and welcome to MCLI Hotel. How may I assist you today?
Yeah, I'd like to check in.
Okay, so may I ask if they have any reservation?
Yeah, I actually do.
May I have your confirmation number and may I also see any valid ID of yours?
For my valid ID here. And for my confirmation number, hold on. Okay, so it's 061425 and Jerome.
Okay, so 060525 and my name. Okay, so may I confirm the guest name? It's Heart Crystal Berganio, spelled as HEARTCRYSTAL, and for Berganio, BERGANIO.
Yes.
Alright, that's correct. Okay, thank you. And one moment while I pull up your reservation. Can you please review and confirm the details of this registration card and sign at the bottom? So here are your reservation details and please sign over here.
Okay.
So you are staying with us for 2 nights, checking out on the next day, and you book 1 double room with breakfast included. Is that correct?
Yeah.
We have you in a non-smoking room with an ocean view as your special request, and if you prefer, I can upgrade you to a deluxe room with a mountain view.
Maybe next time.
All right. So, are you an MCL loyalty program member or availing of any promotional tie-ins for this stay?
It's my first time.
All right. I hope you have a very good day. And And how would you like to settle your account?
Oh yeah, with my Visa card.
May I have your Visa card, please? And I'll take an imprint and process it. All right. So this is your Visa card. Okay, please note that we'll be holding a deposit of 3,000 per night for incidental security. This is to ensure that all things you took in our minibar will be charged in your incidental charge. Is that all right?
Yeah, that's alright.
Okay, so let me inform you that the breakfast is served from 6:30 a.m. to 10 in the morning at the restaurant on the first floor. No reservations needed. Okay, so dinner will be served. Dinner service begins at 6 in the evening. And would you like me to make a dinner reservation for you?
Nah, I have dinner in my room.
Noted. So the in-room menu is available beside the telephone. And would you like a newspaper delivered tomorrow morning? So we have 3 different newspapers. So that's the Philippine Star, Philippine Daily Inquirer, or the Business Mirror.
I would like the Philippine Star.
Okay, so I'll arrange the Philippine Star newspaper for you for in the morning. And if there's anything you like, please dial 9 in our telephone and we are happy to serve and assist you.
Okay.
Do you have anything? Any special request in our
Yeah,
hotel?
actually, I would like luggage or something.
Okay, so our bell attendant will assist you once your key card is processed. Okay.
Thank you.
So here is your credit card and the ID. And here is your room.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
So currently, your room is on the 14th floor. You need to take the lift down to the hall to your left, and once you are in the 14th floor, turn left out to the lift, and your room will be the first on the right. And kindly insert your key card on your slot to activate the lights and the electricity. Is that okay?
Yeah, perfect. Thank you so much. Now
Would
I
you?
know it.
Okay. So since you mentioned that you need a bell attendant for your luggage, okay, he will assist you
Okay.
and will bring your luggage
Thank
in
you
your
so
room.
much.
Is there anything else I can assist you, ma'am?
No.
For tomorrow, do you like some transportation?
Actually, yes. I need a taxi in front of the hotel because I have a business meeting early in the morning.
Okay, so I'll notify the concierge and he will take care of it. Anything else?
Yeah, I think that's it for now.
Okay, our bell attendant is right here and I'm sure you'll enjoy your stay. Should you need anything, just dial 9 from the phone in your room. Thank you, Miss Hart, and have a pleasant evening.
Thank you.
Goodbye.